Welcome to Hershey, folks. 2023. Nice little Suburban. Golden Eagle. He's kicking them out. No, we don't. Just looks like it. Of course, the guy there is 63 here. Nice little split. Yeah, right. Here we go. Nice little Packard. Beautiful. About 30, 31. Nice little Duesenberg. Yeah, just another Duesenberg. What the heck? Gotta go daintily through the puddles. I always love those tail lights. Those are insane.
That sounds like a bad setup.
Yeah. Well, actually now the kids do that quite a bit with the clear. Yeah, a little Nova, little Buick, cute GS. Well, let's get back to the Duesenberg. There you go. All lit up, ready to go. It's amazing backup lights. Really? Oh, nice Chevy. Look at this. Jumping Josephat. This is unusual. $490. Wow. Very early. This is how most people live. Not like that. Gotta crank that Duesenberg around. Jeez. Easy on that. Nice. Yeah, that's Crosley. That is wonderful. I gotta zoom in because it's so small. There's the workhorse pickup truck. Put it into first gear and away she goes. Overhead cam, 44 cubic inch, 4-cylinder, lovely. And of course the Met. Now it depends on which Metro this is. It could be a Hudson. Yeah. Could be a Nash, could be a Hudson. Or it could be a Metropolitan. Beautiful. Doesn't even have the trunk. Nice little XKE. Pure sex. Listen to that 6. Gorgeous. And the Camaro. Sorry guys. Good morning. Oh, Pontiac. Hey, brakes work. That's kind of cool. Oh, this is a Willis. No, wait a minute. That's a Willis? Okay. I thought it was Pontiac. But Willis is correct. Old. I'm going to pull back, get across the street, back to my... I like this blow-by-blow. Looks like a Stevens back there.
Like them early. Here we go.
There's the Willis. Yeah. Look at the side trim. Nice. Oh.
That's an 09. That's a Buick Model F. F's and G's. G was the fast. They're wonderful.
You got it.
Thank you. Means when we're buying.
Little sedanette. I'm glad they're wearing a duster on that.
Follow this gentleman right here. If you get a chance, pull off the road right here. Pull up and stop right there.
Oh, look at that Nash. Oh,
And they go pretty well.
cool. That is a Nash. That is a Nash. Very rare bird. Come on, girl, you can do it.
Interesting story. Looking down in automotive history is
10-year wonder. No, I say it's a why if. Insane. Interesting.
Starts to rain, so a little heavier. This might come in handy.
Go to Fredericksburg. Hey, Fredericksburg. Get a lot of fire trucks here.
So here's an example of
Nice.
sedan delivery.
Buick.
Before the days of things like sport utility vehicles.
Cool Pontiac.
We've got a Pontiac Silver Street back of that.
A little bit of patina.
I'm going to show that 74 GTO.
Used to say only God makes patina, but these guys can think it now.
Again, if
Yeah.
you're not a member
And then put a
of
clear
AACA,
coat on top of it to
And then
preserve
put a
it.
clear coat on it.
I
Exactly.
urge you to step up and become a member and do your part. Like I said, a lot of effort, work, time, volunteer.
Rickenbacker.
Activity to put this all together. We urge you to do your part.
Rare bird.
Say become a member. Nash, of course.
One of my favorite pickup lines.
Is another,
Walking onto the field and Carl passes by and says, "Hey, you ever have a ride in Rickenbacker?" In I went. Look at that Nash. Nice to see them preserved.
When they get there, pull up the class sheet. They know where to park.
I rest my case.
Beautiful.
He's the president of AACA. His name tag?
Yeah, Steve Rossi. He was, I think. Here we go. The
Great
electrics.
history of the electric automobile. Pretty much the same problem that exists today, existed back then. Charging stations are still not quite mature.
Oh, wait,
Of course, Tesla has a huge head start.
Yes, they do.
Some of the infrastructure is still on its way. I spent a lot of time doing a lot of electric cars. Really interesting experience. The 20 comparison.
Henry's Lady, of course. Oh, nice original
Kind
car.
of the backbone of the hobby. You know, there's no antique car hobby.
Oh, look at that.
And they're wonderful cars. Model Ts, of course.
Steve Rossi announcing today.
15 million built, 5 million Model A's. That is the backbone of this hobby. If you want to get involved, that's the way to get going.
How could they do that? But at least I got the Arnold. Oh,
Okay, now inside now is a college shape. You want to hold that when you get down to the floor.
wow. Look at this.
How are you?
Gorgeous. Good morning, good morning. All original. Whoa.